listeners, welcome to Daily English Pulse. In today's video, you'll hear common English dialogues used in everyday situations, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Improve your English listening skills with this simple and clear conversation practice. Repeat the sentences out loud for better speaking practice. So let's begin the stories.
Hi, I'm Anna. Hi, Anna. I'm Ben. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Ben. Are you new here? Yes, I just moved to this city last week. Welcome. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Oh, cool. I've always wanted to visit Canada. You should. It's a beautiful place. What do you do here? Do you work or study? I'm a student. I study English at the Language Center. That's great. How long have you been studying English? For about 2 years. But I want to get better at speaking. You speak very well. Thank you. So, what do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books and going for walks. What kind of books do you read? Mostly novels and short stories. Nice. I like reading too. I also play guitar. That's amazing. I love music. What kind of music do you like? I enjoy pop music and classical music. Cool. Do you sing too? Only in the shower. Ha ha. Me too. What is your daily routine like? I wake up at 7 a.m., then I go to class. What time do your classes start? They start at 9 a.m. and finish at 12 p.m. And after that, I eat lunch, then I study or go out with friends. Sounds like a good day. What about you? I work at a bookstore. That sounds fun. It is. I love being around books. Do you want to get coffee sometime? Yes, that would be great. How about Saturday afternoon? Saturday works. Around 2 p.m. Perfect. Do you know a good cafe? Yes, there's a nice one near the park. Let's meet there. I'll text you the address. Sounds good. Looking forward to it. Me too. I'm still getting used to this city. It takes time. Have you explored much? A little. I went to the museum and the zoo. Those are great places. You should also try the food market. Oh, where is that? It's downtown, near the train station. I'll check it out. The city has lots of cool spots. I can't wait to see more. Do you have family here? No, they're all back in Canada. Do you miss them? Yes, but we talk on the phone every week. That's nice. I live with my brother. Are you close? Very. He's my best friend. That's great to hear. It was so nice talking to you, Ben. Same here, Anna. See you on Saturday. See you then. What's one new word you learned today? Type it below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep improving your English listening skills, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching.